Hi everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you project overview of Ashar Mirag by Ashar Group located in Thane West. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual sales office. Now I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and neighborhood of this project. So as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office, and here is the main road. Have a look at the neighborhood. This road leads you to Eastern Express Highway. In this video, we are going to be talking about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which will lead to many calls. But now, you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 7 acres with 2 phases, where phase 1 has 3 towers and phase 2 has 2 towers with ground plus 35 floors within configuration of 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK. Now talking about the exact connectivity, so this project is located in Vaishali Nagar with Mulund station at a distance of just 15 minutes, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 2.2 kilometers and upcoming metro station at a distance of just 1.8 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 25 plus luxurious amenities including infinity swimming pool, kids play area, gymnasium, multi-purpose court and many more. Talking about carpet area, as mentioned, this project has 4 configuration 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK with 1 BHK ranging from 390 square feet to 445 square feet and 2 BHK ranging from 596 square feet to 700 square feet and 3 BHK ranging from 830 to 947 square feet and 4 BHK having 1342 square feet. Talking about the booking process, so the booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the actual project details, will also show you the actual flat and the sample flat, will help you with the payment and EMI schemes, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the booking amount. The booking amount for this project is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the project overview of Ashar Mirag by Ashar Group located in Thane West. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.